शुद्धम
एकसुत्त
ज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं
ज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं ज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं
भगवन् भवन्तं.
भगवन् भवन्तं
So we have been traveling to know more and more episodes in the Narayaniyam, and we have come up to the 21st Dashakam, that is 10 slokas in praise of Guruvayur Krishna, and who is the Arogya Devata installed by Guru and Vayu. So the town where Guru and Vayu installed Krishna, requesting him to be Arogya Devata, he is going by the name Guru Vayuru Pura. And the Adhisha is Sri Krishna Narayana. So he is the Guru Vayuru Puradhisha. Now, in this particular section, an episode that Bhattadiri, the author of Narayaniyam, is advising what are the methods or measures through which you are able to worship Narayana. Because he is Arogya Devata, and what are the points? Now, in the first sloka which we read, that mantra nutibihi samupasyamanam. So in the Ilavrutanamna Varsha and Gauri Pradhana Vanita Janaihi Sharvena, Shiva went on praising him with the number of mantras, and then Krishna is imagined to be a Sankarshanatmakaha. See, Sankarshana Murti means means attractive, most beautiful. I'm not seeing the face of Sandhya now, only half face. So just adjust your camera. So Sankarshanatmakam Adhiswaram. So Adhiswara means he is the overlord, and not only overlord of all gods, but he is a Sankarshana Murti. Karshana means to attract. Sankarshana means totally attract without any difference. And that Sankarshana Swarupa, Ishvara, Sri Krishna, he is being praised by Sharva and Sarvani, as Gauri, with the number of mantras which are in praise of Narayana. And in the second mantra or sloka, we get to know that in the Ila Varsha by name Bhadra, that Bhadra Rishi, along with his Sishyas, they went on praising that Lord Narayana, Guruvayur Krishna, with a number of stotras, and he is one in that avatara, that is that's called Varaha Avatara, where Vatsya Avatara, where all those Vedas which were submerged in waters because of the deluge, all those Vedas, Nigamas, Vedas are being brought up and then saved them. That is the knowledge which was all books of knowledge submerged in the ocean owing to the pralayam, which will normally take place after 4 yugas. At the end of every 4 yugas, there will be deluge. And again the cycle will go. That's why in Vishnu Sahasranamam, you see Yuga Krut, Yugantakaha, Yuga Bhrutu. That is, Vishnu is said to be the maker of the yugas, taken to be the bearer of the yugas, and is a cause for the pralaya, and is a cause for the srushti. Therefore, all those highest functions are there. In the highest avatara, Hayagriva avatara, all the shastras have been uplifted by Hayagriva Vishnu. That's why we make a prayer every time. Ayagrivam upasmahe. We make upasana of Ayagriva because he is Gnananandamaya. He is always filled with absolute bliss of happiness because of the total knowledge present in him. And he is the source for all branches of knowledge. That's why he is called Hayasirsa Tanu, and otherwise he is called Surya Bhagavan. Because when Yajnavalkya performed tapas, wanting separate Yajurveda mantras, then Surya Bhagavan came in with the Hayavadana and revealed all the Sukla Yajurveda mantras to Yajnavalkya Maharshi. So Hayasirsa Tanu of Vishnu or Hayagriva Avatara of Lord Vishnu is a Gnana Avatara. He is Avatara where he is the repository of all knowledge. Now, that's what we say, Dhyayami. The word is Dhyanam. Dhyanam means meditation. You have to direct your mind, channelized, in order to keep the Vigraha or Swarupa or thought on Hayagriva Avatara of Lord Vishnu. And in the third sloka, we have read that Narasimha Avatara is being mentioned in third, because in the Dakshina, in the Harivarsha, there was a meditation and worship to Vishnu, and that worship has been done by Prahlada Mukhya Purushai Parisevyamanam. So Prahlada and other such important bhaktas, they all joined in chorus and they praised Narayana, and then the Narasimha Swami makes his presence and avatara. And how is the Narasimha? He is Uttunga Shantaha. He is a Shanta Narasimha. And Dhavala Akruti, he is having the white complexion, pure. And uniquely pure. There is nothing impurity in him. He is a Suddha. Eka Suddha means unique in purity. And his nature quality is Gnana Pradam. He is able to provide us knowledge. And who is he? Narahari. Hari is a lion. Nara is human. So half human, half lion head. Therefore, it's called Narahari. And Bhavantam Dhyayami. O Guruvayur Krishna, that I am now meditating upon you. Who are you? Appearing as a highly peaceful, highly pure, highly uniquely Suddha, and you are there to give me knowledge. You are a source, and you are of Narasimha Avatara, and I am going to meditate on you. Now in the fourth sloka, see here, this is Avatara Prasanga that is coming here. How Vishnu, though there are several avatars to him, how many are very important ones, they are being mentioned and utilized here. Now repeat Sandhya Chappandi. Varshe prati chilalitatmani. Varshe.
Uncle, adi Chappandi uncle, adi ఏ శ్లోకం?
Fourth slokam, 21 second.
One second.
You have to unmute. Now listen.
Varshe pratichi. I'll do the next one.
Varshe pratichi lalitatmani.
Varshe pratichi lalitatmani. Okay, go ahead.
Varshe pratichi lalitatmani ketumale. Varshe pratichi lalitatmani ketumale.
Leela Visesha Lalitasmita.
लीला विशेष ललितस्मता ओ लीला विशेष ललितस्मिता
शोभनांगम
शोभनांगम
लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुतैश्च
लक्ष्म्या प्रजापतिसुतैश्च लक्ष्म्या प्रजापतिसुतैश्च
निषेव्यमानम्
निषेव्यमाणम्
तस्याः प्रियाय
तस्याः प्रियाय
धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम्
धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम्
Now the fifth stanza. Ramyepi udीचि खलु
रम्येहुतीचि खलु
रम्यकनाम्नि वर्षे
रम्यकणाम्नि वर्षे
तद्वर्षनाथ
तत्वर्षनाथ
मनुवर्य सपर्यमाणम् भक्तैकवत्सला ममत्सरहृत्सुभान्तम्
ममत्सरहृत्सुखान्तम्
मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ
मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ
भजे भवन्तम्
भजे भवन्तम्
वर्षं हिरण्मयसमाह्वयम्
वर्षं हिरण्मयसमाह्यम् वर्षं हिरण्मयसमाह्यम् मौत्तराहम्
आसीनमध्रिधृती
या आसीनमद्रिधृती कर्मठकामठाङ्गम्
संसेविते पितृगणप्रवरोर्यमा
संसेवते पितृगणप्रवरयोरमा संसेवते प्रवरोर्यमा संसेवते पितृगणप्रवरोर्यमा
यं तं त्वां भजामि
यं तं त्वां भजामि
भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन्
भजामि भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन् भजामि भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन्.
So in the fourth sloka, in the Pratichi Varshe, by name Lalita, then the Leela Vishesha Lalita Smita Sobhanangam, Lakshmya Prajapati Sutaischa Nishevyamanam. So Narayana was being attended to or worshipped by the sons of Prajapati, and very sportively, and Narayana is having the beautiful, pure personality. Then I am going to resort to worship Narayana, who is associated with his consort Lakshmi Devi. Sri Priyaya Dhrutakamatanum Tvam Bhaje. So Lakshmi Devi, along with the Prajapati Putras, was worshipping, and now he is there is reference to the devotion towards that form of Narayana. In the fifth mantra, you see that there is a Udichi Ramye Ramyakanama Varshe. It was called Ramyakanama Varsha. In that Varsham, there was the Varshanatha, the lord of the Ramyakanama Varsha is Manu. And Manu was serving Narayana, Saparyamanam. And then, moreover, this Narayana, who is always constantly loving his own bhaktas, Bhakta Ekavatsalaha. Not only that, he is free from any kind of jealous and is having a free-mindedness in his heart. And with that kind of heart, that Narayana appeared in the form of Matsya Avatara. So I am now meditating upon the Matsya Avatara, who is Bhuvanatha, who has done this kind of wonderful thing in the sense being worshipped by the Manu, who is the lord of the Ramyaka Varsha. And in the sixth stanza, we are now thinking of or introduced the deity Aryama. Is again Aryama is the Surya, and and it is here the Karmatha Kamathangam, that is the Kurma Avatara, the tortoise Avatara of Lord Narayana, because so he was just having the complexion that of the mountain complexion, and he was having the strong back, able to bear the mountain, and that kind of Varahavatara, the Kurma Avatara, is being venerated by Aryama God. Who is this Aryama? He is one respected, honored by the Pitru Devatas. We know we have got many kinds of gods, rather classification of gods. Among the classification of the gods, this Aryama is one who belongs to the heavenly region. And in the heavenly region, he is in charge of taking care of the Pitrus, the departed mains. And he is being also are worshipped by the Pitrus, and such type of Paramatma, Kurmavatara, and I am going to meditate upon him. So Vishnu is being looked upon with great reverence in the various forums which he has taken in order to protect the land and people, and also cause creation, and also destroy the Rakshasas who deprived the many things to be added in the creation. And now the seventh mantra, Kim Chottareshu Kurushu.
Kim Chotpare
Kim Chottareshu Kurushu Priyayadharanya.
Kurushu Priyayadharanya
Samsevito Mahitamantranuti. Prabhedaihi
Prabhedaihi
Damstragra Grishta Ghanaprushta.
Damstragragrushta Ghanaprushta
Garishta Varshma.
Garishtha Varshma
Tvam Pahi Vignanuta.
Tvam Pahi Vignanuta
Yagnavarahamurte.
यज्ञवराहमूर्ते यज्ञवराहमूर्ते
So the another avatara of Vishnu is Varaha avatara. After Kurma avatara, we have the Varaha avatara. In Kurma avatara, Samudra Mathana took place. And when the mountain was sinking, while being churned in the ocean to get Amruta by Rakshasas and Devas. At that time, Vishnu, the project manager of the Samudra Mathana project, he came out with a solution that he will bear over his back the mountain so that they can churn. And that is over in the Karmatha Kamathanga. In this seventh stanza, we are giving praise for the Yagnavaraha Swami. When you go to Tirumala, you got Varaha Swami temple. And we have to make namaskara for Varaha Swami. And then afterwards, we can go to have darshan of Vishnumurti. That is such an important situation. So, in Varaha Avataram, his consort of Vishnu is Dharani, Bhudevi. We know that Vishnu has got two wives, Bhudevi, Sridevi. So, Bhudevi Harana took place by Hiranyaksha. And he had to bring back the Dharani Devi by destroying or killing that Hiranyaksha. And such kind of Yagnavaraha Murti is being praised by all by the Munis and such type of Yagnavaraha Murti. Moreover, what is the speciality of the Varaha Avataram? That is Damstra Agra Grishta Gana Prushtha Garishta Varshma. See, how did he carry the Bhumi Golam, the Bhugolam over his the Damstras or protruding tooth, very, very strong. At the tip of the and Ghana here means strong. Varshma, and that kind of Yagnavaraha Swami, please protect me, Pahi. And this Varaha Swami is being praised by Vigna Nuta. Vigna are the Rishis. The spiritualists, those great Rishis have praised him very much. Now the eighth stanza, Yam Yam Disham Bhajati. Repeat.
Sorry, uncle.
Yam
Yam disam bhajati. Yam disam bhajati.
Kim Purushakhya Varshe.
Kim Purushakhya Varshe.
संसेवितो हनुमता
संसेवितो हनुमता संसेवितो हनुमता
दृढभक्तिभाजा
दृढभक्तिभाजा
सीताभिराम
सीताभिराम
परमाद्भुत रूपशाली
परमाद्भुतरूपशाली सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली
रामात्मकः परिलसतु
रामात्मकः परिलस्
परिलसन्
परिलसन
परिलसन् परिपाहि
परिलसन
विष्णु
पाहि
परिपाहि
विष्णु
विष्णु
रामात्मकः रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णु
श्रीनारदेन सह
श्रीनारदेन सह
भारतखण्डमुख्यै
भारतखण्डमुख्ये श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्ये
त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः
त्वं अनुतिभिः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः
समुपास्यमानः
समुपास्यमानः
आकल्पकालमिह
आकल्पकालमिह
साधुजनाभिरक्षी
साधुजनाभिरक्षी
नारायणो नरसुखः
नारायणो नरसकः
परिपाहि भूमन्
परिपाहि भूमन् नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्.
So in this sloka number 8 we have seen the Rama Avatara of Vishnu. This happened in the Kimpurusha Varsha, and in that avatara Hanuman, with great devotion, Dhrida Bhakti, he served Ramachandra. And moreover, what was his beauty or handsomeness or personality? So much liked by Sita Devi, Sita Abhiramam, and Paramadhuta Rupashali. And his Rupa, that handsomeness, is Paramadhutam, simply wonderful. And he was by name Rama. And that Ramachandra, or Vishnu, with the name or in the avatar of Rama Avatara, please protect me, O Vishnu. So it's a prayer to Rama Avatara of Vishnu to protect us. And it happened in the Kimpurusha Varsha. Now, in the 9th sloka, we see Bharata Khanda Mukhyaihi Sri Naradena Saha. So all those people, Rishis and Jnanis and all them who are living in the Bharata Khanda in India, that is in Bharat, and who are those great Rishis and all people? They are quite expert in Sankhya Yoga prayers. What is Sankhya Yoga? Sankhya Yoga means Buddhi Yoga. In Bhagavad Gita, in 2nd chapter, we have seen Krishna explaining the Sankhya Yoga. And it's called Buddhi Yoga, where that Buddhi itself becomes a Paramatma. So through Buddhi, you can unearth the glory of the God and make him appear before us. Therefore, they are all praising him through Sankhya mantras, yogas. Then What about the greatness of this avatar, Krishna avatara? Akalpakalam sadhu janavi rakshi. Krishna is the protector of all sajjanas, good people, until the end of the kalpa, until the end of the Dwapara Yugam. So during Dwapara Yuga, Krishna took his avatara, Vishnu took his avatara as Krishna Bhagavan, and he went on protecting all good people. And not only that, he became Narasakha. He became friend of a human being, that is Arjuna. And then he was called as Narayana, and he's a Bhuman, quite rich with Mahima, wealth, and all that. Therefore, he's called Bhuman. Bhuri Yasya, Bhuri Aiswaryam. He has got Ananta Mahima, Ananta Vaibhavam, Ananta Aiswaryam. Such Krishna, you will make a prayer to him, Paripahi, please protect me. Then again, please repeat the 10th one. Plaksherka Rupamayi.
Plaksherka Rupamayi. Plaksherka Rupamayi.
Shalmala Indu Rupam.
Shalmala Indu Rupam. Shalmala Indu Rupam.
Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani.
Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani. Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani.
Vanhi Rupam.
Vahini Rupam. Vahini Rupam.
Kraunchembu Rupamatha.
Kraunchemburupamatha. Kraunchemburupamatha.
Vayumayam cha shake.
Vayumayam cha shake. Vayumayam cha shake.
Vam Brahma Rupamayi.
Tvam Brahma Rupamayi. Tvam Brahma Rupamayi.
Pushkaranamni Lokaha.
Pushkaranamni Loka. Pushkaranamni Loka.
Sarvai Dhruvadibihi.
सर्वैः ध्रुवादिभिः सर्वैः ध्रुवादिभिः
Uduprakarayirgrahayischa.
उडुप्रकरैः ग्रहैश्च उडुप्रकरैः ग्रहैश्च
Uchchadike Shvavayaveshvapi.
पुच्छादिके पुच्छादिके पुच्छादिके
Keshu Avayaveshvabhi.
पुच्छादिकेषु
Avayava.
अवयववेशभिः पुच्छादिके अवयववेशभिः
Avayaveshvabhi.
अवयवेष्वभिः
Kalpyamanaihi.
कल्पितमानैः
Tvam Sishumaravapusha.
त्वं शिशुमारवपुषा
Mahatamupasya.
महतामुपास्यः
Sandhya Surandhi.
सन्ध्यासुरुन्धी
Narakam mama sindhushayin.
नरकं मम सिन्धुषायिन्
So, in the 10th sloka, in the Indurupa Dvipa, there was the Kusha by name, and he was just a manifestation of Agni. and he is a Vayu, and he will be remover of the Shoka, and he is protecting, I mean, he is making praise, and he praised Vishnu, who is a Brahma, who is going very well by the name Pushkara, as Pushkaraksha in all the lokas. So he is a Brahma par excellence, and that Vishnu in the Brahma form has been worshipped, who is by all the sages, and that is what is being respected, referred here. And in the 11th mantra, which we read, and all bhaktas beginning from Dhruva, and they're all, and also Udupa Prakara. Udupa are the nakshatras. Udurat is Chandramaha. Udupa is the protector of the nakshatras. So Udupadibihi, and not only one Udupa, Prakaraihi Grahaihi. Prakara means models. See, the mandala, Saptarshi mandala is there. All the stars are having their own form, and that all taken together as a unit. Amele Karair Grahaischa and Puchadi Keshavayeshavi Kalpyamanav. So, E Kalpyamanaihi Puchadi, beginning from the tail and going up to hair, Apada Mastakam, and Tvam, who is that Vapush of Vishnu, he is the Simsumara Vapusha. Simsumara is again an avatar of Lord Narayana, and the Sindhushayan is Narayana reclining upon the ocean. So he is called as the Sindhushayi, and he has to bless Sandhya Surundi Narakam Mama. So he has to remove the problem of reaching Naraka, especially during evenings. So at that time, you just take hold of us all and see that we don't want to go to the Narakaloka, the hell. And finally, Patalamula Bhuvi.
Padalamula Bhuvi. Padalamula Bhuvi.
Seshatanum Bhavantam.
Keshatanum Pavantam. Keshatanum Pavantam.
Lolaika Kundala Viraji.
Lokaika Kundali Viraji. Lokaika Kundali Viraji.
Sahasra Sirsham.
Sahasra Sisham. Sahasra Sisham.
Nilambaram.
Nilambaram. Nilambaram.
Drutahalam.
Ridahalam. Ridahalam.
Bhujaganganabhihi.
Pujakanganabihi. Pujakanganabihi.
Ishtam bhaje.
Ishtam bhaje. Ishtam bhaje.
Haragadan Guru Gehanatha.
Haragadan Gurgekanada. Haragadan Gurgekanada.
So Guru Gehanatha. Guru Geha is the house in the Guruvayur. What is the Guru Geha? That is the temple, Narayana temple in Guruvayur. So Guru Gehanatha, or resident of the place, you are the place where Guru and Shiva both are respected. So that place. So you please see that I do not get on to Narakaloka. So I will get all punya and I will bypass the Naraka. And finally, in the 12th stanza, Patalamula Bhuvi.
पातालमूलभुवि पातालमूलभुवि
शेषतनुं भवन्तम्
शेषतनुं भवन्तं
लोलैककुण्डलविराजी
लोलैककुण्डलविराजी सहस्रशीर्षं सहस्रशीर्षं
नीलाम्बरं धृतहलम्
नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं
भुजगाङ्गनाभिः
भुजगाङ्गनाभिः
जुष्टं भजे हर
जुष्टं भजे हर
हर गदान् गुरुगेहनाथ
हरगदान् गुरुगेहनाथ
So here the Adisesha is referred here, and Guru Gehanatha, Vishnu is the overlord of the Guru Geha, that is Guru Ayurupura. So what is requested ultimately is Gadan Hara. You please remove all sorts of ailments in my body, and I am offering Jushtam Bhaje, offering the offerings to you. Moreover, there are Nagakanyas. They also take worship to the Samudra Deva, and Nilambaram, Drutahalam, Bhujaganganavihi. So this is Balarama Avatara. So finally Krishna Avatara is said, now Balarama Avatara. In the Balarama Avatara, how he looks like, he is being beautifully described. So that's why in this particular section, we have the Avatara Ghattam of Narayana, how he has descended upon the earth, and in all these forms, that people upon the earth are always subjected to peace, happiness, and prosperity. Om Tat Satu.
Om Tat Sat.
Om Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.
Om Shri Arpanamastu. Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu.
Shri Veda Purusha Asirvadostu.
Shri Veda Purusha
Asirvadostu.
Shri Veda Purusha Ashirvadostu.
Om Tat Satu.
Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat.
So it is the intention of Guru Ayur Krishna that you should join and then keep that particular ajami, a particular 10th avatara system is being attended and also recorded. And here, how many gods forms are there? All of them are being respected. What is called Dhyayami. Then you have got that Bhajami, and all these kinds of words will tell us how best we can approach and worship and get pleasant blessings from him. And so that is one thing that we find in this Hanukkah. So Om Swasti Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu.
Om Swasti Sarvam Sri Krishna.
Tomorrow is Samananda Lahari. Don't miss these classes, Amma, because we are almost